We need to stop. You know you have a class for 11 tomorrow.
Wow. You know, I'm but a humble lecturer. Professor is still far.
That's what I see when I look at you.
Should I tell you what I see when I look at you?
I believe you're about to.
Whenever I look at you, I see my woman, my wife, my life, the mother of my 3 children.
3 children? On which salary?
Well, I thought he said I'm going to be a professor. There's money there.
Enough to feed a family of 5?
Enough for a family.
But why 3 children?
Get my board.
Okay.
Well. 3 is the first true number. The tripart nature of the world. Heaven, earth, and waters.
Not hell?
Not hell. It is the beginning, the middle, and the end.
So, all this just because of 3 children? Okay, why don't we just start now?
Remember, you're still my student. And until we get married.
Who did this?
Are you asking me that seriously? Or Papa gets another picking why no sabi?
Now you wait, now you don't do one before. How are you? How's Bidemi?
You won't worry if she walk up past you with sign, you won't recognize her. She's a woman now. Just dropped her off at school.
Cool stuff. So how far?
How far? Seriously, dude. Is that the first thing you're saying to me?
You know you can say seriously, Jude. Besides, I never get time, sure.
You don't even know where I live. So much for having a brother.
Omo, blame Lagos, I beg. Look, did you call to check up on me? Because if you did, check.
You are mad.
Look, Jay, I guess run now. I need to enter something.
Papa asked for your disgusting self to come this evening.
No.
He asked all of us to come.
Look, I said no. It's a Friday night.
Jeff is coming.
Professor, wake up. You have a class at 11.
You have a class for 11th.
Must I go?
Yes.
You know I'm teaching idiots.
You're not.
Never mind. Not here, of course.
You know you're a genius. Yeah. Look at you. You're already higher than people who have read more than you. Talk less of the younger ones who have read way less.
I know that. It's never in the accumulation. But the utilization, you remember that?
I know. So, I'll go through the backyard as always.
As always.
And you get up. Mwah.
We are sit down and eat. There's no time. Your Uber would be here soon.
If I was born in the 16th or 17th century, I wouldn't be having breakfast. You know why?
You're about to tell me.
Breakfast was not invented then.
Well then, if it was the 16th or 17th century, you wouldn't exist.
What an absurd logic. Where do you base such a preposterous statement from?
Nigeria didn't exist then.
Ridiculous. You haven't called my Uber.
No, I haven't.
You lied to me.
I delivered a truth in the wrong tenses.
I should never have given you my house keys.
It was mandated by the university. You need to have someone living with you at all times. And I am that someone. Your caregiver. Take your medicine. Your Uber is here. See you at 2.
I will be going to see my doctor.
Every day I wake up and pray that you have changed your mind.
Well, apologies for my daily dose of disappointments. You see, but life has been cruel to me and has forced me to live a certain way. The least I can do is choose the way that I'm going to die.
Abidemi. I'm so sorry. She's really not. She's really well behaved.
It's so good to finally meet you, Janet.
Oh, please, don't say you heard so much about me. Please. Nostalgic. I remember when I left this place, I promised myself never to return.
Breaking promises is a very human act.
Yeah, it is, right? So why did Papa invite us here? I hope to read his will.
Wow, so many books. Good afternoon, sir.
Do you know Little Red Riding Hood?
Yes, it's the story of...
Quiet, child.
And the reason why I use condoms is to avoid this.
Yes.
Did you plan this?
Don't insult me.
Then how could this have happened?
I don't know now. Can one get pregnant by herself? Are you not the one who always wears your condom with your own hands? Ask yourself.
You know, this presents a whole lot of potential problems. How can you go to school pregnant? Where do you raise children? We can't be seen together. And you know...
You're supposedly a smart man. Handling crises like this ought to be part of your smartness.
How dare you walk away from me? Come back here. I said come back here now.
I asked a simple question. It requires a single answer, and you have provided it. Now you must wait for my response.
Are you sure you're just Papa's caregiver? Or, like happy endings? Oh, sorry, my bad.
Little Red Riding Hood was killed by her mother, who refused to prepare her for the dangers ahead.
Wow. What a way to mess up my daughter's head. Abidemi, can you go wait for me downstairs, please?
Okay.
Is this really you, Janet?
Papa, do you have another daughter?
What are you doing here? Oh, and by daughter, you mean? I'm a grandfather? I have been a grandfather for...
7 years now.
What are you doing here, Janet?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? You asked me to come.
You're sure you did... Who is the father of that child?
Her name is Abidemi, and I decided to give her a Nigerian name, not this Janet, Jeff, Jude stunt. And her father is unimportant.
I see. I never told you to come, Janet.
Yes, you did. Your caregiver sent a text or whatever.
After all these years, you're still a foolish child. I mean, how can you make such an absurd assumption? One that strips you of all accumulated intellect and makes you court stupidity. How can you not question the logic? How would I ask you to come when I have not breathed a word to you in nearly a decade? What import does your presence present to my existence? And I'm sure that this call went out to all your siblings. And as expected, you disappoint me by heeding this baseless call.
Time now, binge. After all these years, I've forgotten why I hate you so much.
What are you doing here?
I got a text that you're dying, and I only came to have the last laugh.
You haven't seen me in 7, 8, maybe even 9 years, and you don't have anything else to say to me.
I'm sorry for failing as a human, but not be everybody perfect like you, Jeffrey.
Hi, I'm Chioma, Jeff's wife.
I'm Janet, Jeff's half-sister.
Dinner is ready. Your father will be coming down now. Could you please have your seats?
No, I want to wait here and greet him properly before sitting for a meal. He's my father.
Abidemi, let's come on to the dining, please.
Papa.
Good day, sir.
I should fire you.
You can't.
You keep taking liberties not required of you.
Some people would say I have sense.
Idiocy takes on human form many a time.
Papa, I just did wonder, are you allergic to praises?
Different people act differently, Jane.
My name is Janet. What did they worry you? They just base you a lot now and you're still sucking up.
Do you know what your problem is?
That I was born a girl, because if I was born a guy, I wouldn't take you die now.
Can I eat my meal in peace?
You invited us all here now.
I didn't. Do you mind addressing this?
Your father is sick, and death is closer than we all would like.
Speak for yourself.
He has some things he would like to tell you.
There is absolutely nothing to divulge to these ingrates.
Ingrates is a strong word, Dad.
Bidemi, hurry up and eat your food. Let's leave this place. This man is toxic.
What does toxic mean?
It means this man is bad for our lives.
That's great. Pass on the torch of bitterness to your own child.
I should have told you that, but oops.
Hey, that's not fair.
Will you all leave my house this instant? What kind of bunkum is this?
Bum. Bidemi, leave your food. Let's leave. Just.
He has finally decided to join us.
The rascal is here.
No need to stand on my account, so I Jude. Oh my goodness. Darling, I haven't touched you yet, but I can tell that your skin is so soft, so succulent. You must be, what name am I looking for? Olivia. Yes, Olivia. No, wait, your scent. You're definitely Jasmine.
God damn it, man. That's my wife, Jude. Her name is Chioma.
Your wife?
Yes.
You married such a beautiful... How did you... Wait. What's wrong with her?
Nothing. I don't even know why I'm answering someone that didn't have the courtesy to come for his own brother's wedding.
Half brother, you son of a mistress. Half brother. Good evening, everyone, especially to you, father. I haven't seen you since I started to see the light. Can we make this thing snappy? I know come here chop all these ones you are doing here.
Nice to see you too, brother.
Likewise.
Anyways, Papa is dying and he invited us here to share his wealth.
Idiot. You assume again.
Okay, let's try something. Why don't you stop insulting her and tell us all why we're really here?
That's great. Continue talking to your own father like that. You've always never had respect.
You're not the one who has respect.
Look at the way you're dressed. Look at the way you're dressed. What kind of white man dresses? He's wearing makeup.
Why did you
Can I see his eyes? He's wearing his like.
so you can wear
Look at his eyes.
What's your business?
someone like
Why is he? What's his hair? He has what?
you have mouth to talk
What are you even saying?
Stop. Like, he's wearing makeup.
Chat for
Look
what?
at his
Your
eyes.
business.
Man.
It does it. Can you stop? Yes, baby.
What's voluntary euthanasia?
What?
Voluntary euthanasia.
Sorry, baby, I don't understand. What are you...
Are you saying voluntary euthanasia?
Oh, beauty and brains. I like that.
Jude.
What?
Well, that's patient-assisted suicide.
What? Bidemi, what are you thinking? Where did you hear that from?
He said he wants voluntary euthanasia.
Okay, I might as well eat.
Papa, you can't do that.
Why not? It is my life after all.
A life where you've always done as you pleased. Why stop now?
Can you ever be serious?
You want to know what I'm serious about? This woman sitting next to you. Chioma, right?
Mommy, I want to pee.
Why would you even think that? Maga never pay.
Well, treating the ailment that plagues me is taking a toll on my finances. Besides, I'm tired of all the suffering.
But you were the one who enjoyed another woman and fathered this waste of space here.
Chioma, we are leaving. I don't need to sit through this nonsense.
Go ahead, run away like you always do. Hide from conflict.
I don't always run from conflict, I'll have you know.
Why don't we ask the delectable Chioma here? Tell me, does your husband always run from conflict or not?
No. I don't want to be a part of this argument, please. I'm already very uncomfortable as it is.
My dear, these dim wits notwithstanding, make sure you make yourself comfortable in my home.
Papa, in the name of God, please stop looking at my wife like that.
Guy, they bust my head, sha. Why you say they burn you? Papa here looking at me, not supposed to look. Boom! Your big head showed up.
Maybe what Chioma really needs is a man with a proven track record of vitality to handle her.
Janet, stop it.
Papa, where's the lie?
Mommy, I really want to pee.
Can we stop rehashing the past? We've all made mistakes.
Which is why you're here.
Mommy.
Caregiver!
Stop shouting at her. She's old enough to be a mother besides.
Oh, she is not. Is she? After all, you killed my mother.
Okay. It's been an experience meeting you guys, but I would really love to go to my room right now, if you don't mind.
Your room? You think we are staying? I can't put it past these two to kill me at night.
Oh, please. I'll definitely not go to jail for your ass.
But I'd like to show Chioma here into a room.
Dude, make one more pass at my wife, I dare you. I double dare you and I'll show you what I'll do to you. I'll punch you.
Do that, please. Just go ahead and do that. Maybe when your wife here sees the way I deck you, she'll finally leave your ass with you. Come on, I didn't hit you that hard.
My expectations of you are very high. And even when I bring them lower, you still manage to miss the mark.
Okay, Papa has rehashed some used lines. He's senile. Me, I don't dey go if he wants to kill himself.
Euthanasia.
Okay, ma.
Don't call me that.
Look, if he won't make person help and kill himself, why did he gather all of us here?
Right? A text message would have worked perfectly.
Jude, I would like an apology for that attack.
Are you kidding me? I'm the one who deserves an apology. You made me hit a woman.
This isn't funny. You're siblings, for crying out loud. Why are you all so mean to each other? You haven't seen yourselves in years, and it's been what? A few hours, and you're already insulting one another and even throwing punches.
Don't mind them, darling. That's how they are.
No, Jeff, you're in this too.
It's just because they keep saying I'm not their brother.
But you're not now.
I was born to another mother. That's the only thing.
An illegitimate child.
Papa, I don't dey go.
Well, I made a decision and I was going to go solo with it. But the caregiver thought that she would like to involve all of you. So maybe you should ask her.
This is a family matter. We cannot be involving an outsider into our family issues.
So the fact that she's been here all along, that doesn't matter.
What are you talking about? She's more family than all of you.
It's time for you to sleep.
Well, if you deem what I have to say to you important, you will wait till morning. If not, leave my house now. Women folk, a curious lot. Without uttering the word, you manage to burden the man with all your worries. What is the matter? What?
You know we don't have a change of clothes, right?
So, we're leaving very early tomorrow morning, right? Once your dad says what he has to say. Thank God it's a Saturday morning, I swear.
What I'm saying is, we wouldn't want to make our clothes rough, would we?
Well, that's true. We could sleep naked, so... Jeff, I'm tired.
Oh, come on now, Chioma, I'm stressed.
There's soup in the bathroom.
Chioma.
Fine.
Are you listening? Interesting.
I'm tired. What's that?
Jude is in a mood.
Sex mood.
Yes.
Why you kill me like that? You came in earlier with a girl.
A girl? What girl?
I don't know. I didn't see them. Just heard her giggling. Then she said something about pushing. What's that?
It means there's no sleep for either of us tonight.
Yes! 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 Ah! Yes! Yes! Oh, fuck! Ah! 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 Oh, my God! Oh, yes!
Fucking family habit.
Professor, get up. You have a promise to keep today.
Now, imagine if there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 5 pieces of information, what do you suppose their dilemma would be?
Despite the missing piece of information, there will still be pieces that will lead them to the truth.
Exactly. Yes. Yes. Yes.
My babe, but you see what the problem is? That you never get enough. It's never enough. It's both a blessing and a curse. All right, just don't worry. I'll call you and just have some family. Take care of it, all right? I'll call you. As the secret sharing began.
Do you know that the theory of knowledge is a product of doubt?
Really? This early? No breakfast?
Shut up. But these 4 men, unless fed with new information, they will never reach the truth. Their journey to the truth will be so far that it will be wise for the one who holds that knowledge to withhold the knowledge.
Excuse me? Hello? What, right now?
Breakfast is ready.
Fine. All right, guys, I have to bounce.
What does that mean?
That means I have to leave like right now. My rehearsals have been rescheduled for earlier than planned, so I have
So
to
you're not going to wait to hear what Papa has to say?
Last, I'll be all right. Okay.
Please go. Good riddance.
Sorry, Ma, what did you say? That's what I thought.
Jude, please, stay for breakfast. For my sake, I made all of this.
This is emotional blackmail, but fine.
Papa, after breakfast, we'll be leaving. So what's this big thing you want to tell us?
Once he's had his drugs, I'm sure he'll tell you. Wouldn't you, Professor?
Oga, why are you yawning? It's morning and you're yawning like this, like a hippo. What, did Chioma here keep you up past night?
You want tea?
No, but you did.
Sorry, what?
Jude, the next time you want pretzels in bed, please make sure the walls aren't paper thin. Jude, something.
I am certain this is the first time a beautiful woman would have left Jude involuntarily speechless.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Papa?
Please help me, help me. Please get him over there to the couch as quickly and as gently as possible. Please.
All right?
Do you mean 3 or 1 to 3?
Please. Easy, take it easy. Here, head this way. Here. Easy. Sorry. Chioma, get me some ventilated spirit, please. Please give me some room.
Check whether he's breathing, please. Check whether he's breathing. Just check.
What? Oh my God. Wait, come here. Okay, I'm here. Don't worry, I'm here. Let's go. Just a bit back. Okay, 1, 2, go! Yeah, you can do this. I trust you. Let's go. Another one. 1, 2, go! Yeah, good. Easy.
Mommy, is this euthanasia?
You can't do this now. You remember you said you wanted to tell us something? Is it that you're sorry? Or
Would you get your filthy hands off of him?
what exactly is your problem?
Oh, you haven't figured this out yet. Fine, I will clear you once and for all. You, Jeffrey, are the source of every single problem in our family. What? Yes, I said it. You and your witch mother came and destroyed what could have been a beautiful, happy family. I did not grow up with the love of the father because you and your mother sucked it all out of him.
No, just go ahead. Blame me for all your misfortune. Blame me. Blame the fact that you can't score a solid movie role on me. Blame me for Jenna not being able to close her bloody legs. Blame me.
Keep that far away from me! How dare you? How dare you? Beating is the most important thing that has ever happened to me.
Yeah, make lemonade from lemon, why don't you?
I'd like to stuff lemons in your mouth. What are you even doing here? Why are you here, Jeffrey? You came to receive last-minute affections from Papa.
What about you now?
Guys, I'm having a headache. Let's just pipe down.
Is that all? Are you having a hard one for your real brother?
Yeah.
I don't want this guy.
Come on me, bro. I'm here now.
Enough!
What's wrong with him?
I'm under oath not to disclose.
Well, this is euthanasia thing. Is he serious?
Yes.
But why though? He's a tough man.
Your father has an incurable disease.
Cancer?
All I can say is he spent a lot of money on it already. In fact, an organization got him on trial, and he's been a beneficiary of all the funds they've been doling out. Yet, his health keeps deteriorating, and he will continue to do so until he becomes a shell of himself and eventually dies.
He doesn't want it to get to that.
That's why he's trying to do assisted suicide.
Well done. Thank you, everyone. First, you participated in ruining my childhood, and now you have succeeded in spoiling my mood.
What are you saying?
Yesterday, I say make I go. Lie. No. Today, make I jejely they go my rehearsal when I keep me for here. Now I'm filled with sad thoughts, whereas the character I'm supposed to be playing is a happy-go-lucky chap.
With no future.
What did you say?
I said with no future.
Oh my God, aren't you guys tired of fighting?
I hate this family.
It takes two of us.
Seconded.
Why though? Why did he gather us here to tell us he was going to die? He could have sent a text message. That would have sufficed, Or is he calling us to apologize for all the damages that he has caused us? Or...
Well, my father never failed me.
Or dare. Papa don't almost die. You're still there sucking up and supporting him.
I love my father.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Will you all shut up? You overgrown adults are so full of yourselves. You don't even notice the one person who needs more care than all of you here. Look at Bidemi. She's been crying steadily for 10 minutes now, yet none of you so-called adults noticed. Yet, you blame the professor.
I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry, baby.
No matter your grievances, your father is on his deathbed.
More like death couch.
Why don't you wait for him to wake up? Then he can tell you what he wants to tell you. And then you all can go right back to being enemies, okay?
Sounds like a solid plan. Thank you, Ma.
Oh, please.
I guess I should go.
Shh. What are you doing here?
Hey, go, dude, you want to give me out of that? What's your problem now?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing on Papa's bed?
Well, it's not your concern, Joe.
What are you doing here? And what are you doing on Papa's bed?
You should not tell him that, beg.
Are you joking? Maybe I'm still afraid he'll come and flog me too.
So he'll say I'm obstructing justice or whatever.
I should go.
No, it's fine. Let me. I've been here for a while.
Never mind me. You know me, I'm used to coming in from outside the tracks.
Oh, please, don't make it sound bad. Like Papa did not love your mother more than he loved us.
Well, he sure loved you both. But he didn't love me.
That's contradictory.
That's reality.
On our way to.
Yo, bro, do you really want Papa to die?
Well, let's see. I hate you, but I don't want you to die.
Nice one. Great.
You both know Papa doesn't have a will to share, right?
Well, maybe you could share the things in this room. I want the king.
Where's the king? Where's it?
There is no way that king is...
No
Can you imagine?
way! No! Can you remember when the stray cats ran in and scattered things?
And he now lined us up and asked us to let the door open and none of us could answer.
He goes, it defies logic. And what was really happening, we're trying to bend time to fit our way. I still don't get it.
So I still don't get it till now. What I do get is that he made us flog each other. God.
See, I didn't want to flog, bro. But with the way Jude unleashed on me.
I was afraid for my life after this one lashed me.
I cried, man. I cried that day, man. What? Actually, I cried more because you both lied against me.
Well, yeah, we had just found out that you were not our brother, so...
Yeah. I just came here to see this place one last time. I'm out. And Papa does not wake up anymore. Professor is awake.
Why? Do you realize we are talking about school here?
Said I'm not going.
Say something different. Why?
I'd rather stay here and allow you teach me my desired course, philosophy.
I can't teach several students, grade several scripts, and lecture various classes. Go home and repeat same.
Okay, don't worry then. I'll read the books in your library.
Do you realize that teachers are one step below mentors? And mentorship has been since...
It's okay. If you don't want to teach me, there's no problem. I'll teach myself.
At the rate you're going, you're suggesting that the mother of my children will be intellectually subpar.
Abuse me.
Okay, listen. I know it must be frustrating for you, but it's frustrating for me as well. I spent 30 minutes of my time fixing doors and windows. Just endure this. It will get better soon.
Blind hope. You taught me that blind hope is my heart building a safety net before it is crushed.
Well, build that net. Okay.
Papa, please, can you just drink your pap so you can tell us what you want to tell us? Let's leave this place. All right, guys, I am off. I guess I'll see you at your funeral.
I know what you have been up to.
Let's see. Acting, shagging, a lot, by the way. Smoking, partying, not much to discern there. Do you have a problem with that, dear father?
Of course. But it is the idiocy of your actions that is more pertinent. Did you ever imagine that I wouldn't discern your involvement and interference in my affairs?
What do you mean, Papa?
Fine. So what if I did?
Did what?
Well, it wasn't out of love or anything, just obligation.
I never asked you for it.
Of course you did not. You're too proud to.
Can someone start talking, please?
I swear.
Bastard.
So, I paid for Papa's hospital bills, the arrears, and the next 1 year.
It's a lie.
Papa.
I began one role like that we are supposed to play. Eccentric professor with an empty life. I needed research, and my best bet was to follow someone who had that character.
Papa?
Yes. So I followed him, sat in his classes, watched him with binoculars, all those stalker stuff. That was when I noticed the drugs he kept throwing away.
You were throwing away your drugs? Is that why the attacks have been more frequent? Is that it?
Wait your turn. Someone else is speaking.
Anyway, one day he threw out a container. I went, picked it up, Googled it, and let's just say, I eventually found the hospital he was in, and the rest, they say, is history.
You deceived the hospital into letting you pay for my medical bills?
I pretended to be your son. Imagine that.
So you're telling me that you knew Dad was sick all this while and you didn't think to tell us?
I thought you were broke. Do you even make money from the theaters?
Well, you'd be surprised. I make enough.
So you paid his bills and didn't see it necessary to tell me?
Can you imagine? So even when we're on the same side, all you can do is only fight for yourself.
You fight for yourself. Can you even perform?
What the fuck?
If you can, father a child.
Oh, Janet, what's the meaning of this? Why are you bringing that
I
up?
beg Chioma rest.
See, you're just a witch.
You're a bastard. And you're always nitpicking and making everything against you.
Don't cry. know of all things, your tears weaken me.
It's just that I haven't seen them in so long. And now, just one night and one day, they have ruined everything. Everything I had imagined.
I told you, it will come to no good. Sometimes perception is better than reality.
Okay. Make person start to talk. What is going on?
I did not want you to come now. But when you would have come, this is what I would have told you. That I did not bring you here to tell you that I was sick. That is a regular human condition. The information is neither endearing nor even particularly informative that I have chosen to undergo voluntary euthanasia. This is my life. And by consequence, none of your concern. But that though I have embraced death, which is the ultimate tabula rasa, ripples of memories only remain with those who are living. So, as not to cause any further suffering to one that I hold so dearly, I have brought you all here. I have brought you all here to meet your mother.
Professor, we need to stop. You know you have a class for 11 tomorrow.
My mother. Our mother. Our mother is dead. You killed her. How dare you?
Oh man, what are you saying? What are you saying? You can't do this. Don't do this, all right? It's not fair. You're dying, okay? Don't spoil life for the rest of us. Please, I take God, beg you.
Hello? Hello, mommy.
Jeff. It's one that you remembered your mother today.
Mommy, please, I need to ask you something very important right now. Please, can you answer me?
Of course, now what is it?
Are you my mother? Hello? Mommy, can you hear me? Maybe it's network, because I can't hear what you're saying. Mommy, are you my mother? Hello? Maybe it's network. Let me call you back. Of course. Of course, I have a mother now. So there's no issue. Hello? Mommy, please, can you say something so at least I know you're hearing what I'm saying?
Are you with your father?
Yes.
Listen to him. Listen to your father.
No, you don't understand. No, because he's senile, he's mad. He's not making any sense. He fainted, then he woke up and he just started saying rubbish.
Listen to your father, Jeff.
You don't understand what I'm saying. He's saying, no, just tell me you're my mother. Mommy, tell me you're my mother. Hello? Mommy, tell me you are my mother.
Papa, please.
Mom, tell me you're my mother now. Can't you hear? Tell me you're my mother. Hello? Papa? Mom, tell me you're my mother now. You're able to say hello.
Papa, can you just... Papa, what is going on?
Meet your mother. Unfortunately, you three are the hypothetical blind men with the same piece of information. It would have been better for me to go to my grave with the knowledge that will ultimately lead to the truth. But here I am, lover to this woman, slave to all her considerations. And she wishes that you all know the truth, even though it is not going to set her free.
God will punish you. God will punish all of you. Except you, Bidemi. But the rest of you, God will punish all of you. Are you telling me that my entire childhood was a joke? Some big fat lie that you contorted?
My mother died at childbirth. My mother died at childbirth. Is that right? That's what... She died at childbirth. Who I giving birth to? Jude. Is that not what happened? Isn't that what happened? Something like 3, Trinity, and togetherness. Something like that. Isn't that what happened? That's why you gave birth to Jeff. My mother died to fulfill your foolish, selfish desire, selfish ambitions. You killed her. You killed her. You killed her. You killed her. Oh my God.
Same information. 3 blind men. Do you want to know the truth? I began my career at the University of Calabar.
We were happy. Yes. In a societally labeled taboo relationship, but still, we were happy until you lot came along. It went downhill from there on. My dreams, hopes, ambitions were all falling apart, and she seemed to have held the scissors. But she was right. I am a smart man. I sat and thought about it. She wasn't the problem. It was the baby in her womb that was the problem.
I'm a twin.
They are twins? Don't interrupt me next time. We didn't know this then. We hadn't taken the time to do a scan in the hospital.
And from that moment, I decided to hate the baby. I hated the baby from before it was even born.
What kind of cry is this? Sorry. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
So, you got a wet nurse.
My story is done.
Jude, shut up. Papa, continue, please.
We got a wet nurse to breastfeed the babies because she resumed schooling. But to avoid questions and dramatic inquisitions, she changed course. She started studying nursing, but she hated it. Janet, Jude, the woman you have called mother all these years, was your wet nurse.
But Papa, why didn't you allow us to meet our mother?
But you did. It's just that you're too young to remember.
But why?
You both were 1+ at the time.
How can you be pregnant? So you don't know your safe days?
It's not my fault now. Sorry.
You're getting rid of it.
No.
How many weeks? You anticipated my reactions. And you waited until it becomes too dangerous.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I will go to school. I will do whatever you want me to do, please. Please.
There's only one thing you can do. You will carry it through.
Okay.
You will deliver the baby or the babies. I will get another wet nurse. Then you will leave.
Leave what?
This place.
How do you expect me to take care of at least 3 children by myself? No. You can't leave me. You can't do this to me. Please. I don't want to go. Please.
You've always trusted my decisions.
No. Please, I beg you.
It's for the best.
Please. Let me go, please. Don't let me go, please.
If you remain here, you might accidentally take in. And I don't want more distractions. Besides, my doctorate is around the corner. And it comes with bonuses. With those bonuses, I can use in taking care of you and the kids.
No, please. Please don't do this to me. I don't want to go.
Listen.
Me too.
You will go back home. You will deliver. When the time is right, I'll always send money across.
Don't you go.
Please, I don't want to go, please. Please, I don't want to go.
So you paid a woman to pose as my mother all these many years?
Papa, why didn't you find Mama?
I couldn't.
Why?
At this point in the tale, why don't you ask her?
I'm sorry. There was a riot in my village. I had to move. Your father was transferred to Lagos also. We missed each other. When I could get to the post office, all I found was a goodbye letter. All I had of my family was a letter. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
So you've been lying to us all these years, Papa. You've shielded us from this all these years. We blamed you for killing our mother. We accused you of killing our mother. We hated Jeff, but we hated you even more. Why, Papa? Why?
It's better to hate me than to hate my love, my life, the mother of my 3 children.
It's time for Papa's lunch.
I'll help you in the kitchen.
Papa, what you're saying is that Jeff here is my brother, as in brother.
You bugger. So now you're sorry for all those years, Abi?
No, I am not. You're still an irritant. Even right now, you're an irritating younger brother. What's your day? Right. Time's ticking.
Oh, and I'll come tomorrow and drop you everywhere.
Drop her with someone else? No. I want to get to know my child and my grandchild together.
Oh, don't worry, I'll drop Chioma with someone. I'll come tomorrow. Day after that. The day after that.
Hey. You all can come every day.
So, Papa, one last thing. This whole euthanasia thing, was it all a ruse? Are you really not dying?
Jude, I have a terminal disease. It's going to suck my money and still kill me. This is purely a logical decision.
It's also a foolish one.
Are you mad?
Papa, I second that.
Well, clearly you've been making a lot of foolish decisions your whole life.
And I'll be paying your hospital a visit with my legal team.
And they'll know exactly what will happen if you die in their care.
But if you
So I've been saving for Bidemi's school, and since she still bears your son name, and your university still has down to primary school, I'll make a case so we can get free education and money will come from me.
Papa, you will die, but not today. Death is a certainty, but we can certainly delay that, right?
I told you, your children don't operate on logic, only foolish emotions. But for once, I'm glad. Right, glad.
Love you, baby.
Right now, I'm coming. 5 minutes.
Take care of my son.
Mushy stuff. Oh. Psych! Later things.
Crazy.
Take care of you, Jim.
I will.
Dear Jasmine, I have become a doctor. Jasmine, along with the doctorate came job offers. I have selected the best based on my perceived future needs. Jasmine, you were my major consideration. I am set to leave. I don't have my address yet. I might not have enough time to drop it. But Jasmine, I will wait every day until you come back. I will not die until I see you again. Because you are my love, my life, the mother of my 3 children. Yours forever, Dr. James.